So welcome back. In the last video, we initiated the process of defining the goals under Google Analytics. We also discussed that there are 4 types of goals that you can set under Google Analytics. So we will continue with the process of defining the goals for Google Analytics. So first let us see how to define a destination goal. Select destination and continue. Here we have to give the goal details by defining the condition using 3 operators like equal to, begin with or regular expression. But let it be equal to. Actually, I want to tell to the Google Analytics that our destination page is equal to this URL. If anyone reaches to this page, then consider it as one goal. So, we have to give the link of our page here, say thank you page. That simply means we have to create the thank you page in our website and then we have to give the link of that page here. I have already created thank you page in the WordPress. This page will be visible only once anyone will complete the transaction by making the payment against the product or anything else. Just copy the URL of this page and paste it here. If you want, you can just give only the part of your URL next to the domain name. This will serve the same purpose. If you want to attach any monetary value to these goals, you can attach it from here. But for the time being, I am leaving it as a default. Click on Save. Our goal is created. Google Analytics will start tracking this goal. To create a new goal, select this button. This time, let me explain you how to set the register online goal. Actually, we want to measure how many registrations have happened on our website. Again, for this purpose, we have to create the thank you page and we have to give the link of thank you page in the goal details. The procedure is same that I showed you in the earlier part. Check register online, continue, give the name to the goal. As this goal is related to the destination page, so we will select the type as destination and continue. Give the URL of your destination page here and save it. I am just cancelling it. The same way, you can define the acquisition, inquiry and engagement goals. Now let me define how to design the goal from scratch, not by using any given template. For this purpose, you have to use the custom option of Google Analytics. Click on custom and continue. Give the name of your goal. Say, I want to set the time spent by my user on the website as a goal. In this case, I have to select the type duration because it is related to the time spent. Click continue. Give the time here by specifying your time duration. I want if a user spends more than 5 minutes on my website, then it should be treated as one goal. Save it. My goal is set here. Google will start tracking it. Now let us see the example of another goal. Click on custom and continue. This time, I want to set page or screen per session as the type of my goal. Give any name to the goal like page view. Continue. Give the number here that you would like to set as a goal. I want if a user visits more than 2 pages of my website in a given session, then it will be treated as one goal. Save it. Okay, goal is created. Next goal is related to the event. It requires some sort of coding, so probably I will discuss it in a different video. We are still left with 17 goal slots that we can define in the future. So this was the process of defining the goals under Google Analytics. Here is very important point. Before you start defining the goals under Google Analytics, be very clear about what are the objectives of your website or your business. Only then select out of the given 4 options while you are in the process of defining the goals. So try to explore more options of defining the goals and you will learn more about it. So in the next video, I will talk about what sort of information is available under the conversion tab of our demo account.